Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to create group chat on TikTok. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your TikTok app. And then I just want to say that not all devices has this feature. So it really depends on your country, okay? So if your country allow this, so you can have this feature, okay? And so, by the way, you need mute walls if you want to create group chat. So let's get started. So first, you want to click on your inbox on the lower part of your screen. And then here, you can see there's a message button with a plus sign on the upper right corner of your screen. So you just want to click on that. And then in here you can see all of your mute walls, okay? So you can just choose any friends that you want to include in your group chat, but as of my account, I only have myself, okay? So after you done that, just click a chat, and then after that you have your group chat created. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you. And if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.